Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Mann.fun.factory. So today, do you know what? I'm going to participate in audition of India's Next Star. It's a virtual audition. Have a look at it. 6 people in my family. My brother, my father, my mother, my grandmother, my cute little puppy, and myself.
So, from which city you are?
Hyderabad.
From Hyderabad. Okay, can I know your mother's name?
Reena, ma'am.
Reena.
Reena
Okay.
Chugh.
Okay.
And I have a YouTube channel called Mann.fun.factory.
Oh,
There
great.
are more than 80 videos.
So, which talent are you
know?
going?
If you want to know more, you have to watch my YouTube channel.
Okay, sure.
I'm going to do a ramp walk.
Okay, you are going to do a ramp walk.
And I did a ramp walk for big brands like Big Bazaar and Mac Store.
Great. Talented
And
child you are.
And I have been selected as a brand ambassador for Splash Events 18.
Great. Very nice.
My aim is to become a supermodel.
Okay.
So I'm going to do the ramp walk now. Hope you liked my performance, ma'am. Have a great day. Hope to see you again. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day. Bye.
You too. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Hope you liked my video, guys. This was a small participation. Well, if you like me, give me a thumbs up. If you really like me, subscribe.